Yeah, there should be a basket down there to bring them in.
Lovely.
That's great. Thanks very much.
And that's your receipt for those 2 items today. Thank you very much. Take care.
Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage, Yate today. Picked this one up, £14.99, a little bit more than I would normally pay. I wasn't going to buy it. I had a good look in the shop. In fact, I'll show you the video I shot in the shop, because I was intending to use it as a caught my eye but didn't buy. But yeah, I had a good look in the shop and I thought there really isn't very much to it. Most of it is pre-made. The main chassis, steering, motor, all the rest of that, that's all there. So all you're really doing is building the body shell to go on top. So I wasn't terribly impressed with it. But then on the other hand, I thought it might get one of my grandsons interested. So I did, as you can see, buy it. I will have to go through it, of course, and check that everything's there. So what I might do now is get the chassis out and the controller out and just check that works. Put some batteries in it. So that's what I'll do now. And whoever had it has put it back together in nice little plastic bags. So it looks like it's all there. Even still got the stickers. I suspect I could go through those bags and count the pieces and see if all the pieces are there. But as I said, what I will do is just put some batteries in this and check it runs. 6 AA batteries in the car. 1 9-volt battery in the controller. Right, I'll get some batteries. Got battery in there, which is not always a good thing. Dead. Okay, so we've got some lights there. Oh, that's got batteries in as well. Ah, right. We have a little bit of a problem there, don't we? Those are so old. We may well have problems with the connections, with the metal plates at the end. Right. Right, change of position on the table so we can try and get these out. Now, a lot of people recommend getting rid of the crystals using a weak acidic solution like vinegar. So that's what I've got in there. That's some vinegar thinned down with a bit of water, so it's quite weak. And we will go brushing that on to see if we can get rid of the blue crystals. In fact, I suppose I could just... You don't want to put too much on, because you don't want it going all down through the car. And you will want to clean it off afterwards. Let's see if we can get them to move. This is a bit disappointing. It's always a bit of a conundrum whether to leave batteries in or not when you donate stuff to charity shops, because people want to be able to test them, but if nobody touches it for weeks or months, then you get this sort of problem. These don't look too bad, to be honest, most of them. That's the worst looking one. some clean water now. In fact, I'll go and do it in the sink, I think, so you don't need to watch that. I think we got rid of the worst of it. There's still a fair bit of blue in there, blue crystals. I've also got this stuff that's supposed to be good for electrical contacts. I've given it a bit of a spray of that as well. Because that's supposed to... Where are we? Special cleaning agent for quick and effective cleaning and degreasing of soiled and corroded electrical contacts of all types. It removes formed oxides, which is what the blue stuff is, lubricants and soiling. It increases electroconductivity of the contacts and stabilizes the voltage. It displaces moisture and forms a water repellent film. Neutral towards plastic surfaces, rubber and lacquer. So that should be good stuff to use. Certainly the vinegar got rid of a lot of the stuff. Just sort of loosened it up and dissolved some of it. We've probably got enough off to put some batteries in there and check whether it actually works. So, 6 of Poundland's finest. On. Whoa. And that one, sound effects and lights, from the looks of it. Lights, sound. Yeah, oh right, okay. Well, we'll give that a little run on the floor, just as I say, to check it works. I don't think I'll actually assemble the kit, although I do need to check all the bits are there, don't I? Right. Forwards, yep. Backwards, yep. Right, left. Well, that's good. We have a working toy. So the only other thing to do is go through and count the pieces. Right, I've been through and counted all the bits. I actually scanned that in and printed it off so I could write on it. We're only short of a few minor pieces. I'm quite impressed. Short of a few square nuts, one washer. Gone off the bottom of the page here. We're short of one of those, 3 of those, and 1 of them. So that's not bad going. Oh, and we're also missing the hexagonal key, whatever you want to call it. Well, I've got a set of them that I'll put in the box anyway. They came from Poundland, so I can replace them for myself quite easily. And I do have a few other Meccano kits, so I'll go through and make up the ones that are missing. So he's got a complete set then. I'm quite pleased how few pieces are missing. And in fact, when you assemble it, depending on which particular one of the 3 bodies you put together, you probably don't need all the bits. Certainly all the main pieces are there, it's just a few screws. That's even easier than I thought. I found my Meccano bits. So I think we've got all the bits that are missing in there. Excellent. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.